Z.
Ready? Come on.
Today, I'm working with Jimmy Diresta. We're making a table out of composite decking material. We're using an 1/8" milling bit to create some funky joinery that Jimmy cooked up. Composite decking, made from recycled materials, cuts beautifully on a ShopBot CNC machine. Now we'll use a 90-degree V-bit to carve the ShopBot logo on the top of the table. We'll trim things up, and then we'll add a few countersinks and assemble all the pieces. Honestly, working with Jimmy to shop was the highlight of my year, and it feels like the perfect way to conclude this series. So thank you, Jimmy, and thank you, ShopBot.